know that people are really keen to get vaccinated in New South Wales. The challenge we have, and it's not something the New South Wales government can control.
It's disappointing to have it so close to home, but everybody should do the right thing insofar that they should wear their masks, wash the hand sanitizer, and generally be aware of it at all times.
We really face the most serious crisis in the COVID pandemic since the early days in February, March last year. It's made the worse because this was a largely avoidable and foreseeable crisis, but thanks to the very poor procurement and rollout of the vaccines, we don't have that strength to respond to the situation that's emerging.
係一種表態啊，係種可以話發泄咯，可以同翻呢個政府講，我哋香港人其實從來都驚過，我哋為咗我哋嘅自由，我哋可能唔嗌口號啊，但我哋嘅心裏邊同你講咗，我哋需要啲乜嘢。《蘋果日報》係我哋香港人每一個人嘅報紙，我希望可以有機會佢再翻嚟。
呢一份會係一份香港人最後一份嘅報章，咁。可能未來10年都可能或者100年我唔知啊，可能都冇將份代表香港人嘅報紙。咁我希望有一份呢份 last 嘅我落貼喺度，留俾將來嘅人睇又好，點都好啦。咁多人出嚟其實係一種訊息嚟嘅，即係呢個訊息係乜？我諗大家都知係咩嚟嘅，即係一種聲音咯。你聽唔聽一件事咯，即係要話俾人知咯。